Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick feature rundown and real quick unboxing of the CMF Buds Pro 2. Now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give everyone my overall first impressions. We're going to try on the earbuds for the first time. I'm going to give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel, and then we're going to wrap the video up. Now, if I'm being 100% honest, before we dive into the first impressions, there's really only one thing I want to see improved with the second generation of the CMF Buds Pro earbuds. And for me, the biggest thing here was the fit. So I'm hoping that they redesign the fit on these. And then the touch controls, but that's neither here nor there. These are another set of earbuds that have the touch controls instead of the physical clicky buttons. So, you know, hopefully that's better, but it is what it is. But hopefully this fits better than the first generation of these earbuds. And then another thing that I'm really interested in is the smart dial feature that they added into the case, right? So this is a customizable dial that, depending on how you rotate it, you can get the dial to do specific things on the earbuds without having to use the touch controls. So those are two key things that I'm looking forward to as we dive into our coverage on these earbuds. But other than that, the overall battery life and charge times and things of that nature are pretty much the same on the first generation as they are on the second generation. And then the last major feature that they added here is the ChatGPT AI integration with these earbuds, right? So I'm really interested into checking those out, checking out the ChatGPT integration, checking out the smart dial features, and seeing if the overall fit has been improved from the first generation to the second generation. But I just wanted to get that out the way so everyone knows what I'm going to be mainly focusing on moving forward when we're testing out these earbuds. But I still will be putting it through the full review process, as I always do for Bluetooth earbuds and headphones on the channel. So I'm going to have the microphone test, I'm going to have the fit and sound demo, and everything will culminate in the full review of these earbuds, where I let everyone know if these earbuds are worth picking up, or maybe it might be more cost efficient or effective to go with the first generation of these earbuds. Alright? Alright. Now, let's get into the first impressions. Now, first impressions of the overall look. I do like the look of these earbuds. Now, they do have like a matte material around the stems, and that's really, really nice considering that the stems are where you're going to interact with the earbuds the most. But it does have like a glossy material around the rest of the earbud, and then they got really nice silicone matte tips. So hopefully this helps with the comfort and the fit. And it does come with your 3 different sizes. Now I do believe it has the largest on the earbuds by default, and I showed you guys earlier on in the video, it comes with the smalls and the medium ear size tips. So that's really, really nice. But I do like the overall look of these earbuds. I do. Okay? And then I'm also interested to see how the microphones perform, but the microphones on the first generation actually performed really, really well. So I'm hoping that the microphones on the second generation perform just as well. And this case, I really do like the look of this case as well. Very clean, very discreet, minimal branding on it. So first impressions of the buds and the case, at least from a look standpoint, CMF have done a great job here. Now, let me try them on and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit, and let's wrap the video up. So let's drop these in. Okay, I got some lint on them already. Okay, this is the right earbud. Okay, that drops right in there. And then we have the left earbud, and that also drops right in there as well. And we do have some really nice passive noise cancellation. And yeah, this is really, really nice. Now doing a quick shake test, let me just make sure I got a nice snug fit, as snug as I can. I do feel as though I am definitely going to have to play around with the other earbud tips and see if I can get a slightly better fit. Or I may have to open up my drawer here and break out my custom earbud tips and see if they fit on here. Because these earbud tips do feel kind of loose. But I am getting a good seat and fit so far. But let me do a quick shake test. Okay, so one side is nice and snug and the other side is moving around a little bit. So I am definitely going to have to play around with the tips and see if I can get the best fit possible to where they seat in and don't move around. But first impressions of the fit straight out of the box, it does fit really good. Really good. But I am definitely going to have to play around with the included tips, mess around with my custom tips, and see if I can get the absolute solid fit for these when I start using them. Alright? But first impressions of the fit, it does seem to be really good so far. That being said, let me take pictures of the profiles and then we'll wrap the video up. So what are we going to use today? Let's use the iPhone. Okay? Let's do this. So let me open this up. Okay, let me launch the cameras real quick. Spin this around. Oh, these are very discreet. So give y'all a nice front profile here. Okay, and then let's turn this way. Give y'all a side profile for one. Okay, and let me give y'all a side profile for the other one. Okay, let me take a look. Oh yeah, these are very discreet. Very discreet. And oh yeah, you can barely tell I have them in from the front profile. So here, let me show y'all this. So you can see here's the front profile shot. And you have to look really, really closely to see that I have them in. From a distance, you probably couldn't even tell that I had them in. Right? So really nice, clean, minimalistic front profile, very discreet. And then here's what one side looks like. Alright, really nice. Okay, and then here's what the other side looks like. Again, really nice fit here. And you can see they go right in my ears. But I do have to adjust the tips because I do notice, I think it's the right side is wiggling just a little bit. So I do have to adjust the tips. But first impressions, it does seem to fit really good. And, you know, you guys and gals, let me know what you think. How you think they look. I think they look actually very discreet and very nice. And they come out very nice as well. So taking out one side, that came out very easily. Taking out the other side, that also came out very easily. So very easy to put on, very easy to take off. And to be honest with y'all, I am really, really excited to be checking out these earbuds, especially considering that I just got the watch. And like I told y'all when I started my CMF coverage, any product that CMF releases in the States, I'm going to do my best to bring it in and try to do full coverage on it. So we did the first generation of the earbuds. We did the charger. We did the first generation of the watch. We're doing the second generation of the watch. We're doing the second generation of the earbuds. I am trying to get the CMF Neckband, their neck style earbuds. And I am going to try and get the CMF Phone 1. I am going to try and cover all the CMF products that I can get my hands on and let you guys and gals know if these products are worth picking up. Okay? So y'all stay tuned for that. But first impressions with the CMF Buds Pro 2, they do seem to be really, really good. Now, they are fully charged up already, so directly after I'm done wrapping up this video, I'm going to jump straight into testing. So you guys and gals be on the lookout for all of my continued coverage on these earbuds. And to be honest with you, By the time you guys see this unboxing and first impressions video, I probably will have already been using the earbuds for almost a week. Because as of the recording of this video, it is Sunday. Now, I'm not going to drop this video till Friday. So I will have already been using them for about 5 to 6 days. Meaning that I will be really close to coming out with my first video, which is going to be the microphone test. So y'all stay tuned for that. But that pretty much does it for today's video, guys and gals. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you guys and gals click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all my social media connects down below as well. This way you're guaranteed to be notified when new videos go live on the channel. That being said, if this video piqued your guys and gals' interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, or you would like to know where you can pick up any of the other CMF products that I've done coverage on, or you would like to see any additional coverage on all of the other CMF products that I've covered on the channel, I'll link up the affiliated buy links and all of my extended coverage down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals do decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links located down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate buy links, in my opinion, are like a win-win for everyone. And that does make the video description like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, so you should be good to go. Alright? Recording the video here today, I am using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus with no external microphone hooked up, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality. This video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, as well as what you guys and gals think of the overall lighting. Alright, as always, all your guys and gals feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Now we get to put these earbuds to the test alongside testing out the watch. And I am going to do my best to bring in the phone. So at one point, we are going to be rocking all the CMF products as a daily driver and seeing how everything works together and how cohesive it is. Okay? So we will be all CMF'd out at one point, but we're not quite there yet. Anyway, I'm rambling. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace.